This is an original song by Mike Screen. If you're looking for more songs like this one, then make sure to subscribe so you never miss another video. Let's jump into the cartoon script. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I have another amazing cartoon script for you all today. This is for Five Little Ducks, which is one of my favorite nursery rhymes and children's songs of all time. I hope you enjoy it. And if you want to download this cartoon script, you can find the link in the description box below. Now without further ado, let's get started. Five little ducks went out to play. 4, 3, 2, 1. Mama Duck said, "Don't go far away, or else I'll have no ducks to quack all day." They paddled and they splashed with joy and glee. 4, 3, 2, 1. But soon it was time to go home. You see, 4, 3, 2, 1. The first little duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," and swam right up to his mama duck. Then there were 4. The second little duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack," and snuggled close to his mama duck. Then there were 3. The third little duck said, "Quack, quack, 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 quack," and rested his head on his mama duck. Then there were 2. The fourth little duck said, "Quack, quack, quack, quack," and he hid behind his mama duck. Then there was 1. And the fifth little duck was nowhere to be seen. "Where are you? Where are you? Come back, come back. I'm getting scared. Oh, what will we do if you don't come back?" Mama Duck began to cry. Suddenly, she heard a voice that said, "Don't you worry, Mama Duck. Your 5 little ducks are coming back. You just wait and see." It was Old Wise Owl. He was sitting on a tree saying, "Don't you worry, Mama Duck. Your 5 little ducks are coming back. You just wait and see." He hooted softly and flew down low. He ruffled his feathers and whispered, "Mama Duck, don't you fret. Your 5 little ducks aren't lost, you'll see. They're off playing hide and seek with me. And you know what? They're very good at it. They hide in the bushes, behind the logs, in the tall grasses, in the nooks and crannies, wherever they can squeeze their little ducky noggins, they're hiding from me. And oh, how they giggle and squeal. This game is such a treat, I must say. But it's time to end the game now, so let's all fly back to your den. Don't you worry, Mama Duck, your 5 little ducks are coming back. You just wait and see." And with that, Old Wise Owl swooped up in the air and hooted loud. The ducks came running, swimming and flying, each one trying to be the first to reach their mama. When they got back home, safe and sound, they all quacked and cuddled close around her. Mama Duck was so happy to have all her babies back. She nuzzled them, she kissed them, and she thanked Old Wise Owl for helping them find their way back to her. Then Mama Duck said, "Quack, quack, quack. My 5 little ducks, you almost made me lose my mind. Don't you ever go off playing again without me. Quack, 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 quack." The 5 little ducks nodded their heads and promised to never do it again. Mama Duck felt better now. Her 5 little ducks were safe and sound. She knew they'd never go far without her, not even a foot or a yard, because they loved her too much to be apart. So they stayed together, happy and gay, swimming and splashing all day. The end. Now let's jump into the fun facts about ducks. Did you know that ducks typically mate for life? Once a male duck chooses his mate, they will stay together for years. In fact, if one of them passes away, the other half will often pass away soon after. How romantic is that? Next, ducks can travel at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. They also have excellent navigation skills and can travel long distances without getting lost. The ducks have special features on their bills that help them steer in the water. These special features are called lamellae. They look like tiny oars that allow the ducks to move through the water with ease. And did you know that a group of baby ducks is called a paddling? Isn't that cute? Well, here's a fun fact about the paddling. A paddling can be quite clumsy, especially when they're trying to enter the water. They often fall over and make a mess, but they're learning and having fun at the same time. Speaking of baby ducks, did you know that a female duck usually lays an egg every day for 2 weeks? That's quite a lot of eggs. However, not all of them will hatch. Sometimes the eggs are infertile or something goes wrong during the incubation process. But if everything goes well, you'll get some adorable ducklings to add to the paddling. Another fascinating fact about ducks is that they can live both on land and in water. They have special adaptations that allow them to do this, such as their webbed feet, which help them swim in their feathers, which keep them warm and dry on land. In fact, ducks spend most of their lives on land, even though they're great swimmers. Did you know that ducks play an important role in our ecosystem? They help control populations of insects and other small creatures that they eat. They also spread plants and seeds as they travel from place to place. Basically, ducks are like nature's little helpers. We can help ducks too. We can protect their habitats and make sure they have clean water to swim in and plenty of food to eat. We can also enjoy watching ducks in their natural habitat, but it's important to keep a safe distance and not disturb them. Now let's move on to some fun activities you can do with your friends and family. First, let's play a game of Duck, Duck, Goose. This is a classic children's game that's easy to learn. All you need is a group of kids and a ball. Each person sits in a circle and you roll the ball to someone while saying duck. That person rolls the ball to another person and says goose. The game continues until the ball reaches someone and they have to run around the circle in the opposite direction. If you tag them, they sit down and the game continues. Next, let's make some duck crafts. You can make a duck out of paper, felt, or clay. You can also decorate your room with duck-themed bedding, curtains, or wall decals. And why not wear a cute duck t-shirt or hat? There are many ways to show off your love for ducks. Finally, let's watch some videos about ducks. You can watch nature documentaries about ducks or funny videos of ducks playing. You can also watch educational videos about different duck species and their habitats. There are so many amazing videos about ducks online. Just search for them and enjoy. So these are some fun things you can do with your friends and family. Remember to share your experiences with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you did and how much you enjoyed it. Thanks for joining us on this ducktastic adventure. We hope you learned something new and had a quacking good time. Until next time, keep quacking. Now let's move on to the next section of the video. Are you ready to take your music career to the next level? Whether you're a singer, songwriter, rapper, podcaster, or voiceover artist, now is the time to make your dreams come true. With sound, you can produce, record, mix, and master your own music from anywhere in the world. No studio or expensive equipment needed. In addition to having the best tools, you also have access to a global network of top music producers and industry professionals who can help you take your music career to new heights. Plus, you'll be able to connect with other artists, producers, managers, labels, and more. With sound, you can upload your music to all major streaming services like Spotify, Apple, Deezer, and Tidal and start earning money from your music. With sound, you have everything you need to succeed in the music industry. What are you waiting for? Start making your dreams come true today. Click the link in the description to sign up for Sound and use the promo code for an exclusive discount. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity.